If Google Chrome is showing the status breakpoint error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step. This issue can happen because of a temporary browser glitch, a corrupted cache, an outdated Chrome version, a bad extension, or even a graphics setting that is conflicting with your browser. The good news is that in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes without needing advanced technical skills. So if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy computer fixes and Chrome troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's jump right into the first step. Step 1 is to restart Google Chrome completely. This sounds simple, but it often solves the problem right away. Close Chrome fully, not just the tab, and make sure every Chrome window is shut down. If you want to be extra sure, you can also open Task Manager and end any remaining Chrome processes. Then reopen Chrome and check if the error is gone. Temporary browser glitches can trigger the status breakpoint error, and a fresh restart gives Chrome a clean start. If the error is still there, move on to step 2 and restart your computer. Click the Start menu, choose Power, and then select Restart. This refreshes Windows, clears out background memory issues, and resets processes that may be interfering with Chrome. A lot of browser errors are actually caused by system-level issues, so a full restart can make a big difference. Once your computer boots back up, open Chrome again and see if the page loads properly. Now let's go to step 3, which is updating Google Chrome. Open Chrome, click the 3 dots in the top right corner, go to Help, and then click About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically start checking for updates. If there is an update available, let it download and then click Relaunch when prompted. Older versions of Chrome commonly cause status_breakpoint errors because they may not be fully compatible with newer websites or browser features. Keeping Chrome updated is one of the best ways to prevent repeated crashes and loading problems. Next, we'll clear the cache and cookies because corrupted browser data can absolutely trigger this issue. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data window. Make sure you select cookies and other site data as well as cached images and files. Then click Delete Data. This removes broken or outdated files that may be causing web pages to crash in Chrome. After that, reload the page and check whether the status_breakpoint error has been fixed. If it still isn't working, the next step is to disable extensions. Extensions are useful, but sometimes they conflict with Chrome's rendering process and cause errors like this one. Click the 3 dots again, go to Extensions, and then click Manage Extensions. Now turn off any ad blockers, VPN extensions, or suspicious add-ons that you don't fully trust. If you want, you can disable them all temporarily just for testing. After that, restart Chrome and check the website again. If the error disappears, you found the cause, and you can re-enable extensions one by one to see which one is responsible. The final fix is to disable hardware acceleration, which is another very common cause of status breakpoint errors. Go to Chrome Settings, scroll down to System, and find the option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Turn that setting off, then click Relaunch. Hardware acceleration can sometimes create conflicts with your graphics drivers or your system setup, especially if your browser is crashing on videos, web apps, or modern websites. Turning it off forces Chrome to use a different rendering method, which often stabilizes things immediately. So to quickly recap, if you're seeing the status_breakpoint error on Google Chrome, start by restarting Chrome, then restart your computer, update Chrome, clear your cache and cookies, disable extensions, and finally turn off hardware acceleration. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem for good. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.